Don't judge me! So we have this Suburban with this aluminum back door, decently sized dent, nothing too crazy. The only thing is access. It's gonna be a real pain in the ass to get past all that stuff. So there is a factory hole on this side. It is very direct. I gotta go fishing, figure out what we're gonna use. So I think I found the tool. I'm gonna put some Glexo on the tip of this and some heat. Just like everything, push up, blend down, push up, blend down, push up, blend down, move your board. This aluminum is a pain in the ass, to say the least. Ta-da! Slick. Suburban's done. The way I fixed it may not be the way that all y'all are gonna fix it, but it works for me. We got it all done, polished, buffed, cleaned the car, so it's ready to drop off to the customer. These doors are stronger than normal aluminum. Pain in the ass to push, especially if you're doing direct pushes instead of indirect. So we're all good, ready to roll, make the customer happy. Good day!